I'm Solomon Bennett and I'm studying Level 3 Hospitality Management. Being here at Cardiff and Vale College has helped my confidence. I've learned a lot just from simply saying yes to things. It's helped me out a lot with the skills that I use in everyday life. The way that you're treated here is exceptional and the atmosphere between the students and teachers work really well too. I found my sort of love for front of house. There is a lot of heart and a lot of thickness to the course from the stuff that we learn from food nutrition. There's a lot of science with the mixology and the way that we can combine ingredients and make things foam. My favourite thing about the course, entering Wales skills, has definitely given me more confidence in what I do. I'm thoroughly loving the experience of the competition and how it works and the learning that goes in behind it. When I finish college, I have quite a lot of options of what I could go into. I've worked in restaurants now for a while, thinking about applying for my medical to go work on some private yacht. I say I've got a really good attention to detail and I would never let a customer not feel looked after. I really do enjoy making a lasting memory for the guests and the customers. I think that's where I shine the most, and if they'll make a memory, they will come back. It makes me physically happy, and it is honestly my pleasure. I do it because I love it, and making them happy makes me happy.